Solid Solution, India's most popular welding knowledge channel. Are you confused about which tungsten to use for TIG welding? Should you use green, black, red, white, green, gold? Which tungsten you should use for TIG welding? And which one is best for aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel, AC or DC? This is we are going to see in this video. I will explain how to select tungsten electrode, its color based on the application of the base metal and tungsten. So let's get started. In this image, different types of electrodes are shown in various colors such as red, gold, white, green and blue. Each tungsten electrode contains different chemical additives giving a specific advantage and limitations. Based on these properties, the appropriate tungsten electrode should be selected according to the base metal being welded and the power source, whether AC or DC. Proper tungsten helps achieve better arc stability, weld quality, electrode life, and overall welding performance. So now question is how to select right tungsten. Selecting right tungsten depends on metals you are welding and your welding current, AC or DC, to match the metal with the ideal tungsten grade, color and properties. Various metals such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, cast iron, nickel alloys can be welded. For carbon steel and stainless steel, you can use tungsten grade 2% thoriated red color or seriated 2% gray color. The suitable powers is DC current. These offer excellent arc starting and stability, keeping a sharp point for precise penetration. Another base metal grade is aluminum and magnesium. For this grade, you can use pure tungsten green or zirconated white or brown tungsten. These tungstens are suitable for AC current. Pure tungsten handle AC current well and form a nice ball at the tip. Zirconated is an excellent modern alternative that handles higher amperage without spitting. Tungsten electrodes are generally prepared in two forms, a sharp point and ball tip. A sharp pointed tungsten is commonly used for DC welding of materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, copper, nickel alloys. For aluminum welding with AC current, a ball tip tungsten is preferred. Ball tip formation is easier with a green, pure tungsten and white, zirconiated tungsten electrode, making them suitable choices for aluminum welding application. Another one tungsten is gold color tungsten. Gold color tungsten is an all-purpose universal tungsten electrode that can be used for wide range of welding applications. It performs well on both AC and DC welding, making it suitable for materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, nickel alloys. Due to its versatility, easy arc striking, and stable performance, it is often recommended for beginners and general purpose TIG welding. Next is titanium and copper alloys. For these metals, you can use 2% thoriated red color or 2% lanthanide gold color tungsten. This is suitable for DC. These metals require clean, stable arc, prevent contamination and control heat input. For this, you can use these two tungsten grades. So friends, what did we learn from this video? We understood what a tungsten electrode is, a non-consumable electrode used in TIG welding that carries the welding current and creates the arc. We learned how to select correct tungsten electrode based on the base metal and welding current like AC or DC. We also covered different tungsten color codes, grades, and their applications. So friends, tungsten electrodes are generally prepared in two forms, a sharp point and ball tip. A sharp pointed tungsten is commonly used for DC current and ball tip tungsten is commonly used for AC current. Based on that, a sharp pointed tungsten is commonly used for mild steel, stainless steel, copper, nickel alloys, and ball tip is used for aluminum alloys. Thank you.